Hello everyone and welcome. So today I installed my first 4-channel dashcam, and it's a top of the line Blackvue DR900S. So basically we take 2 times the 2-channel camera, and then in this case I installed it in the Model X, so I wanted to show you what it looks like. First of all, you have the camera at the front, which has its wires in that little small thingy moved up, and then of course the other big one that is mounted here at the back. So here you go. So that's the second one, and then we have the side cameras, or the smaller cameras, which are installed here and here. And of course we have 0 wires visible in the entire installation. So yeah, if you would be interested in 4-channel dashcam, just let me know and we can arrange it for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.